Hi, I'm Adam from Boilerhut. Today, we're in a loft installing a brand new conventional boiler and horizontal hot water tank. This setup is perfect for larger homes needing powerful heating and hot water. Let's learn more. First, we assess the loft. We check the joists can support the boiler and tank's weight, about 100 kilos when full. Then, we confirm the gas and water pipes are accessible or are able to be brought up into the loft. Next, we install the hot water tank. This horizontal, unvented cylinder stores hot water for your taps and showers. We secure it on a sturdy platform, connect to the expansion vessel, and fit a pressure relief valve to keep things safe and efficient. Now, the boiler. This is the Viessmann Vitodens 100W heat-only boiler. It's mounted and we connect it to the gas, water, flue, hot water tank and heating pipes. The flue goes through the wall for safe venting and we double-check all connections for leaks. Time to test. We fire up the system, check gas pressure, and ensure hot water and heating work perfectly. Once approved, we issue a gas safe certificate and show the homeowner how to use their new thermostat. With Boilerhut, you get a reliable, energy-efficient heating system installed by gas-safe professionals. Ready to upgrade your boiler? Visit boilerhut.co.uk for a free new boiler quote online today in less than a minute. Stay warm and safe.